You know, one of the most common questions up and coming traders have is, how do I take a small amount of money and convert that to a large amount of money? Well, in today's video, I want to show you exactly how to take just $600 and turn that into $100,000. You ready? Let's go. All right, guys, when I first started trading about 4 years ago, I didn't have much money to trade with. So that being said, I was trading with around $400 here, $500 there, sometimes $200. And although I had some winning days where I made like 10% of my account, sometimes it just wasn't enough money. If you think about it, if you make 10% of $500, you make $50, but maybe not enough to make you want to stop trading for the day. So what I did is what many new traders do right now. I keep on trading, trying to make more money. And you know what overtrading eventually leads to? Leads to more losses, losing your profits, and losing even more money than you even started with. And I must tell you, that is frustrating. Nothing is worse than undercapitalization in trading. I mean, if I was trading with $100,000 and I made 10% that day, then maybe I would not need to trade again after making $10,000. Maybe I'll take the week off. That's the power of having enough capital to trade with versus making $50 where maybe I have enough to buy a few groceries or get a haircut, but I didn't really make anything that was really significant. So now we know our issue. We have a small amount of capital and we know where we want to go. We need to get to a larger amount of capital. What exactly could I do to get to that large amount of capital faster? There is a solution. Prop firms. Prop firms have been one of the best additions to the trading industry. Back in the day when retail Forex traders were trading, if you had a small account, you just had to ride it out until you built that account into a larger account. And that may take years. But now, if you have the trading skills and you can prove that, then these prop trading firms will actually allow you to trade account sizes from 10,000 to 50,000 to 100,000, 200,000, 300,000 and some even $400,000. Now this does come with a fee and of course some stipulations as well. For example, if I desired to have a $100,000 account, then it would cost me anywhere from $500 to $600 depending on the prop firm, as well as contingent to me passing a set of challenges. So the way that these prop firms set these challenges up, they give you an account, which is usually a demo account. And for the purposes of this example, let's say they give you a $100,000 demo account. So with that $100,000 demo account, you have to prove to them that you are a profitable trader. That usually is done by you having the requirement to make about 8 to 10% on your first phase of the challenge. So that means with the $100,000 account, some prop firms will ask you to make $8,000 or some prop firms will ask you to make about $10,000. And you have to do this within 30 to 35 days, depending on the prop firm. Now, if you make it through phase 1, you then go on to phase 2, where you have to make up 5% of your account size, just as a confirmation that you really do know how to trade. Now, after passing phase 1 and phase 2 of the challenge phase, you will be given a $100,000 trading account. Now imagine you paid $500 for this challenge. You passed phase 1, you passed phase 2, and now you have a funded $100K challenge account. And if you can just do the same thing you did during the challenge phase and make 8% or even make 10% within the next month, then you actually will get paid out a profit split, depending on the prop firm again, maybe 80% or 70% of those profits to you. Now, if we do the math, if we were to make 10% on our 100K funded account for the month, then we would have made $10,000. And depending on the profit split, you may get $7,000 or $8,000 paid out to you. Now imagine having that money and putting it in your personal trading account. All of a sudden your trading account doesn't look so small after all. And if I'm now making 10% off $8,000, $800 is not too bad at all. Now it's important to know this is a lot easier than it sounds. Passing these challenges are a little difficult, and you really do need to know how to trade. I mean, you really do need to be a profitable trader before you think about taking one of these challenges. But the point is, the options are there. So throughout my career, I've traded with tons and tons of prop firms, but the two that I recommend at the moment are MyForexFunds and The Funded Trader. Based on their rules and based on all of their parameters, they're the funded programs that I pretty much feel at ease with. And if you're interested in joining these programs, I'll leave a link down in the description field just so you guys can take a look. So guys, don't underestimate prop firms. They can completely change your life. There have been many testimonials from many different prop firms of traders that have made $10,000, $40,000, $100,000, $200,000, all within a very short time frame. That could be you as well. The same way the invention of the remote made it not make sense to get up to change the channel on the TV, is the same way it doesn't make sense to take the hard road and struggle with a small account when there's so many different resources out for traders that wasn't here before. And again, the links will be in the descriptions. And until next time, Jordan the Maestro, peace.